Hey guys, my name is Shay Medal, and today we're gonna do a 12-minute beginner ab workout. So you could do this anywhere from the gym or at home, and all the movements will be catered to all my beginners out there who are just starting to get into their ab routine or starting to get into the gym. This is a perfect way to get it going. Alrighty guys, so for our first exercise, what we're going to do is we're gonna lie down straight on our backs, and we're going to lift our leg up, one of our legs, our right leg, and with our left arm, we're going to touch our toes. And then we're going to switch that to the other side. So lift up your leg, your left leg, and with your right hand, touch your toes. And we're going to keep switching this for 1 minute. Lift your leg, touch your toes. Don't worry if you can't reach your toes, but just try to do your best to do so. The more you try, the better the results. So you're gonna touch your toes. Do this for 1 minute. And what you want to be doing, and keep in mind, is to keep your stomach tucked in and your abs are always engaged. So we'll do this for 1 minute. 5 more seconds, guys. 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, so for our second, we're gonna stand up, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna break the coconut, but we're gonna pretend that the coconut is up here, and we're gonna push one of our knees up. So we'll do this for 30 seconds. And what you want to do is to keep your abs engaged so you can really feel it and pretend like you're trying to really break that coconut. And if you feel like this is too easy, you can grab a medicine ball, a water bottle, and use that as an extra weight on top. So you'll work your upper abs. The great thing about this movement is that you are working out everything. Now we're gonna switch legs. Even though this is a beginner move, I'm definitely feeling it as well. Done correctly, you'll feel it. Five more seconds, guys. 3, 2, 1. Alrighty. We're gonna go back to the first one, and we're gonna do alternate leg toe touches for 1 minute. So right leg up, left arm up. Left leg up, right arm up. And we're gonna keep alternating. Once you do these a few more times, it'll become natural to you. I know a lot of my beginners, when they first start doing this, sometimes it can be hard to actually get the movement done, but if you keep practicing, it's gonna become second nature. So left leg up, right arm up, touch your toes. Do this for 60 seconds. And remember, don't stop and always keep those abs engaged. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alrighty. Now we're gonna go on our toes and we're gonna break that coconut. So now, you're gonna grab the coconut and lift your right knee up. Always keep your stomach tucked in, your abs, keep it tightened, and you're gonna do this for 30 seconds on one leg. And remember, when you're reaching up for the sky, really try to pull back so you're stretching those ab muscles and then also flexing them in. Alrighty, 5 more seconds. switch. See, now we're doing this for 30 more seconds. And then we have one more rep, and then we're done. We're more than halfway done already, guys, with this set. Just keep going. Remember, keep those abs engaged. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Alrighty. Now lie down again. And now you're gonna lift your right leg up and touch with your left arm. And you're gonna switch that. Touch. Touch. Remember, each time you do these, try a little bit more to try to touch those toes. The more movement there are with your abs, the faster the results. Unless you're doing planks. All right, guys, keep going. I'm already feeling the burn, which is a good thing. That means it's fat crying. Almost there, guys. Alrighty, guys, almost there. In 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Now we're gonna get up on our feet and we're gonna do our last coconut crushes. So we're gonna grab that coconut and hit it with our knee. Remember to keep those abs engaged. These are our last set or reps, and we're gonna do it for 30 seconds. Keep it going, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch sides. So we'll do this for 30 seconds, and then we'll be done with this set and we'll hop on to our next exercise. Keep it going, guys, and don't slack. Whatever you do, don't press pause. Alrighty, guys, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! Alrighty, so now we're gonna rest for 60 seconds. You can go towel down, go drink some water, breathe, don't forget to breathe, and then we'll start with our second set of exercises. So if at any moment you get dizzy or you feel too tired, you can pause this to take a breather and then continue. Because the best thing is to always finish this ab workout, especially because it is a beginner level. I believe that everybody can do it. And don't worry, with time you'll start seeing results and proper nutrition as well. So let me just go into what we're going to plan to do next. We're going to work out our obliques, which is great. It's those muscles that you see on the sides. And we're also going to do some bicycles. So now 5 more seconds, guys, and we'll hop right into it. Alrighty. So now, what you want to do for this one, you want to stand shoulder width apart, and you're going to reach side to side like you're trying to touch your ankles. And this will work out those very stubborn areas called love handles. I don't know why they call them love handles, because there's nothing to love there, but this exercise will help you get that area toned. So you just want to reach side to side. And you may not feel it today. or right now doing these, but I guarantee you that tomorrow morning, you'll be feeling them. Happens to me all the time. Yes, you're gonna do this for 1 minute. So remember, keep your abs engaged and really try to reach for those ankles. And your back straight and your neck and head forward. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome. So now what I'm going to do is we're going to lie down and we're going to do bicycles. Bicycles are a great way to work out your entire abs and your obliques. And we're going to do this for 1 minute. So you're just going to reach side to side. And if you can't do this, you can lie down straight and just move your legs while keeping your head down. But always remember, if you're doing these correctly, do not pull on your neck. It's an ab workout, not a neck workout. And you just want to really reach from side to side. We're going to do this for 1 minute. All right, guys, remember, don't give up on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome. So now up on our feet, and we're gonna stand shoulder width apart, and we're gonna reach for those ankles. And we'll do this for 1 minute. Remember to keep your head straight and your spine aligned. This will work out those love handle areas in your obliques and strengthen all those side muscles that pertain to your abs. Alrighty guys, hanging in there. I know you must be feeling it by now, but don't give up. The whole thing about abs is to have continuous movements. Nothing should ever be stagnant unless you're doing a plank. So now, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, so now we're gonna lie down on our backs again, and we're gonna do bicycles. We're gonna reach with our right knee, left arm. Right leg, left leg, right arm. Right or left, right leg, left arm. And we're gonna move this continuously side to side as if you're riding a bike. Except I don't know anybody that would ride a bike like this. But the whole concept is to move as far as you can, getting a lot of movement. Since your abs are always in the center of your body, what you try to do is move everything else, like your legs, your arms, so that you can work out your abs. Since it's such a center spot, it doesn't move a lot. All right, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're gonna stand on our legs, stand on our feet, and we're gonna stand shoulder width apart, and we're gonna reach for our ankles. And we're gonna do this for 1 minute, 60 seconds. Really reach for those ankles. Not literally, but the whole concept is to actually go as far as you can so that every time you're bending, you'll actually be feeling this area lift you up And that movement of lifting you up is where you'll be working those obliques. And we're almost there, guys. After this set, we'll just hop onto our next one, and then we'll be done. So keep reaching. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome, guys. So now for this next exercise, what we're going to do is, this is called hip raises. We're gonna lie on our back, and we're going to lift our hips like so, and we're gonna do this for 45 seconds. And you can keep your head flat and your back straight. You really wanna lift those legs up as if somebody is pulling them up with a rope. You may not look it, but mentally that's what I'm trying to do with my body, is lift my hips and everything vertical. And I can actually feel it engaging my lower abs and upper. Do this for 45 seconds. And always remember to keep your abs engaged, tucked in, belly button to the floor. Keep it going, guys. We're almost there. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, now we're gonna do 45 seconds crunches. And the best thing about this, it's not a full sit-up. A crunch, it's, I would say, about a third of what a real sit-up should look like. So you're going to lift up, and you're gonna think about using all those ab muscles. We're gonna do this for 45 seconds. We're gonna keep your abs tucked in. You're gonna try to bring your upper shoulders off the ground. And try not to strain your neck. Okay, okay. Just keep it going for 45 seconds. And we'll do this for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whew. Great job, guys. I'm so happy. We've made it to the very end of this ab workout. So happy that you could join me. And now just take a breather, drink some water, and thank you. All right.
Rest your face and then give me a real one.
Okay.
Give me a good one. Think of something funny or pulling your ponytail or something like that off to the side. It's a little better. Then get your elbow up a little more. There you go. Flex grabs. Good. Change it up somehow.